Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need accounts and code in place. Start by linking Google Ads with Analytics, then install Google Tag Manager site-wide. Once done, publish a GTM container and add a Google Ads remarketing tag or global site tag to every page so visitors are tracked. Make sure your tag fires on all page views. Use the Tag Assistant to confirm. This step is the foundation. Without a working tag, you can't build audiences, so validate hits before moving to audience creation. Now you'll build the retargeting lists that drive ads. You can create audiences in Google Ads or import from Analytics. Choose site-wide users, product page viewers, or cart abandoners, and use URL contains, event, or parameter-based rules to target intent. Once the audience is defined, set membership duration, commonly 30 to 180 days depending on purchase cycle. Also combine conditions with and, or to refine size versus specificity. Finish by building a campaign that targets your remarketing lists. Choose display or search with remarketing, attach the specific audiences, set bid strategy and frequency caps, and upload responsive creatives. Then launch but monitor. If audiences remain empty, use Tag Assistant and real-time analytics to ensure tags fire and parameters pass. If reach is low, broaden rules or extend membership duration. If overserved, tighten frequency caps or exclude converters. One key tip: test with a known visit and refresh audience diagnostics to confirm enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.